Ever wondered how to bring still photos to life with magical, heartwarming moments? Let me show you how you can create AI-generated kiss and hug videos in just a few steps. All you need are two photos, one of you and one of the person you want to kiss. Download the app now, link in the comments, and open it. Go straight to the Photo to Video feature and upload your two photos. Then, just select one of the kiss templates, no need to type anything. I highly recommend using high-quality mode for the most natural and heartwarming results. A few seconds later, your personalized kissing video will be ready. Click the download link to try it now.